Hello, here we are, Flower School 101. Here's our classic traditional centerpiece. Peonies, look at those gorgeous peonies, yellow roses, white, and forsythia blooming out of it. This is day 2 in Austin, and you're at American School of Flower Design. This was our third project out of 5 tonight. We usually do about 3 to 5 projects. It's an old classic. And it's still the most ordered design in America. Why? Because it's still affordable. Here it is on my kitchen counter. I'm working on my next piece behind it. So, Flower School 101, if you want to learn how to design beautiful centerpieces, classic late spring, summer, early summer design. More spring because of the forsythia. See the forsythia blooming? It's the first forsythia. I'm in Austin today. It's the first bunch I've seen all winter. Anyway, join us in class, flowerschool101.com.